My top boss in our today's video is very special to me and to you. Why? Because we have a new top boss that will be joining us. Now, are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, drum rolls, and here we have Tess. Now, tell us your full name as well as why are you interested in electrical?
Hi guys, my name is Lillian Teresa, but I like to go by Tess. And I joined electrical because it's what I'm interested in, and I love making changes to the poor connections I see, and that is why I took an interest.
Awesome. She likes making changes to the poor connections she sees. Because in my country, Kenya, there are a lot of weird connections, as I have rightly been showing you. Now, enough of John, of course, but Tess, did you go to school to study electrical engineering?
Yes, I did. I went to Kenya Power Training School.
Yes.
Yeah.
Incredible. This is a male-dominated area. How comes you found interest in it?
Being a male-dominated field, I didn't feel threatened or hindered because we are in 2025 and anyone can do anything regardless of their gender.
Awesome. Now, you found me online and then you decided to go all the way through the hurdles that I had set for you, and finally you are here. Why were you interested in what Top Heights Electricals is doing, and specifically myself?
I was interested because I have gone through your page for a long time and I have seen the progress that it makes, and it's something that has helped me throughout my journey, my electrical journey, and I wanted to be a part of it because I see the growth and I believe that we are going to do wonders.
Awesome. There's something that you told me that I've never forgotten. You said that I love assembling things and then dismantling. You like fixing, all of that. For instance, if it's a consumer unit, is it something that you're so passionate about?
Yes, it's something that I'm very passionate about. From as long as I can remember, this is what I have liked to do and it's what I enjoy doing. It's like a hobby for me.
Awesome. In the meantime, you also told me that you have an electrical shop and there are times that you go out to work as an electrician. How is that work with you so far?
There have been challenges, I can't lie, but so far I have managed to retain customers and also build. Generally, I have been able to build an audience, and that is the rewarding part about this job.
Incredible. Now, given that many people expect an electrician to be a male, I know that it's a him that is coming and then they see you. So how is your customers' reaction whenever they see you going to work on their projects?
I was expecting to get a lot of backlash because I'm a lady and people don't believe in that. But I think I have come so far that people are not even surprised anymore. Sometimes I get people who doubt it, but when I work, they'll just come to understand what I do and believe in what I do.
Awesome. Do you receive so many complaints, let's say, after work, or once you have done a good job, the customers coming back for more services from you?
Yes, customers do come back. Actually, most of my clients are returning clients and referrals. I have never gotten a complaint about my work.
Right. So what would you advise other ladies out there who are looking forward to get into this space and they are probably doubting themselves?
What I'd like to say to you ladies, especially upcoming ladies, if you're afraid to go study electrical, don't be, because even though it is a male-dominated field, right, we are in 2025, so many ladies are going towards that, and you won't be alone. Mostly, most people who are this job oriented, they will not be afraid to answer your questions. They will not undermine you in any way, shape, or form. So don't be afraid to come and work with us.
Awesome. So my top boss, there you have had it. And I want to also tell you something that really got my interest out of Tess. She has her own tools. So Tess, today you are here. We are going to do some work over here. Let me see your tools. Show it to the people, and then so the first one is
I brought a pliers,
awesome.
which is essential.
Mm-hmm.
I have 2 screwdrivers. I have a star and a flat.
Mm-hmm.
And then I have a tester,
Mm-hmm.
which we are going to use them here today.
Absolutely. Now, I encounter so many top bosses who don't even have tools. I don't know how you expect to survive in this field if at all you're not serious with your tools. Now, today we are going to do some work here, and of course, this is a practical session, not something that we are doing on the field or in the ground or on a customer's premises, but she is very serious, committed, and has her own tools. I'm just imagining if I engage her for some work at a construction site outside there. She might probably come with a pickup loaded with tools. And yet you, my top boss, who is an electrical technician, especially to the men, and you don't have adequate tools. This is a wake-up call for you. Invest in tools. So thank you so much, Tess, for finding time to come. And we are going to have a lot of fun. We're going to do a lot and definitely encourage people out there, especially the ladies, to venture into this. So far, if I may ask the last question, how is it with you whenever you are handling electrical work?
Personally, I love this handling this kind of work because, as you can see, it's very simple, it's very organized, so it will be easier to maneuver.
Is it something that you are passionate about? Do you love doing it, you know?
I can't stress how much I love doing this and how much I enjoy uh, making this whole thing light up in the end.
Awesome. Awesome. So thank you so much. This is an intro of what we are going to do together with Tess, and it's going to be very much fun, my top boss. Until the next video where we have wired what you can see here and much more. Top boss, subscribe to our channel, Top Heights Electricals PLC, so that you don't miss our future videos. Goodbye for now.